What is NuGet?
NuGet is the official package manager for .NET and C#. It makes it easy to find, install, and manage external libraries and tools in your projects. By handling complex dependencies and versioning, NuGet helps developers work more efficiently and keep their code up to date with the latest and best resources available.
Finding packages with NuGet.
You can discover thousands of reusable libraries on the NuGet gallery or directly in Visual Studio. Searching by keyword, function, or package name helps you quickly locate what you need. Reading package descriptions, versions, and ratings ensures you choose the best and most reliable tools for your C# projects.
Installing packages.
Adding a NuGet package to your C# project is easy. In Visual Studio, use the NuGet Package Manager interface or the Package Manager console. With a simple click or a command like Install Package, NuGet downloads and integrates the library, updating your project files automatically. This process saves time and prevents manual errors.
Managing dependencies and versions.
NuGet keeps track of all the libraries your project uses inside a packages.config or csproj file. It also manages version conflicts, letting you update or roll back libraries as needed. Good dependency management is crucial. Using NuGet helps avoid bugs and security issues by ensuring your packages are current and compatible.
Updating and removing packages.
Keeping your project up to date is simple with NuGet. Use Visual Studio tools or console commands to upgrade packages to newer versions or remove packages you no longer need. NuGet automatically updates references and removes unused files, making maintenance straightforward and your project lean and efficient.
Best practices for dependency management.
To get the most out of NuGet, always review package sources, lock versions for stability, and keep an eye on security updates. Regularly audit your dependencies to remove anything unused and maintain clear documentation. Responsible package management helps keep your C# projects reliable, secure, and easy to work on with a team.